Hello again, Year 4 Rowan. We find ourselves back here in remote learning, which is a bit of a shame. I was looking forward to hearing lots about your Christmases, but obviously that isn't possible now in person. Hopefully, when you email me the first few bits of your work over, you can tell me a little bit about your Christmas. I know it would have looked like a very different Christmas for all of us, but hopefully you still did get to enjoy some family time and play some games, and hopefully you received lots of nice presents too. So I look forward to hearing all of that. We've had a bit of a practice of remote learning already, so hopefully we can kickstart straight away. We know this time as well that it's going to be going on for most likely at least the whole of this half term, so we know exactly what to expect. Try your best. Remember to email me your work twice a day if you can. It doesn't need to be any more than that, but just one email in the morning with the work you've completed, and one email in the afternoon as well of the work you've completed. Every single day, I will upload a morning fluency video. That would just be a really short one, just with your questions and then your answers. And then again, maths, English, and SPAG. Your reading skills, you'll have a video today for it, just to reintroduce read theory, because that's what we'll be continuing with. And then from then on, it will just be completing a few assessments every day. So I'm going to share my screen with you. And hopefully now you can see our morning fluency. It seems to be taking a little bit of time to load. There it is. We do also have the lunch options on there, because some of you will be accessing your learning from within school if your parent is a key worker, for example. So obviously, if you're at home, you don't need to choose the lunch option. I'm sure people will help you out with that anyway. So you've got your addition, your subtraction, your multiplication, and your division. Think about your exchanging and your addition and subtraction, and see how quickly you can use your multiplication and division facts for these questions here. Your word of the day is compassionate. So you may want to quickly research what that means and see if you can use it in a sentence. And you've got a new music genre as well. I wonder if you can do a little bit of research into that. And when you're ready, you can pause this video, because I'm about to switch over to the next slide with your answers. So here are the answers for the morning fluency. Again, you can just freeze the screen so that you can see all of the answers. I've tried my best to use the laptop to try and draw some of my numbers out to show a couple of examples. It's not very neat, unfortunately. Hopefully your presentation is a little bit better than what mine is there. But let's just take this example at the bottom here, 4,392 plus 47. Make sure you've got your 47 lined up correctly, because I've got 4 tens and 7 ones. So 2 ones plus 7 ones, 9 ones. 9 tens plus 4 tens would be 13 tens. So we need to exchange that. So we would have 103 tens. Or to make it simple for the method, we have our 13. So we carry a 1 and put our 3. So now we have 1 plus 3, which is 4. And we know that's 4 hundredths. And then we just have our remaining 4 thousands. Here we've got 1,281 subtract 169. I have 1, and I need to take 9 ones away. I know that I can't physically do that without going into negative numbers. So I have to knock next door and ask to borrow. So next door neighbour, Dave, has got 8 tens. So he can then drop that down to 7 tens. And you can exchange your 110 for 10 ones. So now we have 11 ones, subtract 9 ones, which gives us 2 ones, 7 tens, not 8 now, remember. Take away 6 tens is 110, and then 200 take away 100 is 100, and then we're left with our 1,000. Hopefully that all makes sense. We will be looking at these methods through the week. I'm going to stop sharing that now. I look forward to our remote learning over the next few weeks. I can't wait to see all of your amazing work. Please try and send in some videos as well if you can. A couple of you in class managed to do that before, and it makes it that bit more interactive for me. It makes me feel like I'm in the classroom a little bit. I get to watch your learning develop. So see if you can do that. I will see you for Read Theory. Bye-bye.